Hello and welcome to Vintage Nook. If you love homes that feel timeless, warm, and quietly luxurious, you are in the right place. In this video, we explore how to make your home look expensive using a vintage modern style for 2026. Through 10 inspiring ideas, you will discover textures, colors, and details that never fade. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with us, designed to inspire calm, elegance, and beauty in everyday living. Timeless homes begin with neutral foundations that feel calm, layered, and intentional. Soft beige, warm gray, and creamy white walls create a gallery-like backdrop. These shades allow vintage furniture, artwork, and textures to shine without visual clutter, instantly elevating the perceived value of your space with quiet luxury and confidence. To modernize the look for 2026, pair neutral walls with subtle contrast. Think matte black trims, brushed brass accents, or dark wood frames. This balance between softness and definition creates a refined atmosphere that feels curated, mature, and effortlessly expensive while remaining timeless and welcoming for everyday living spaces today. Quality over quantity defines vintage modern interiors. Investing in one solid wood table or a well-crafted sofa instantly upgrades a room. These pieces age beautifully, tell stories, and provide authenticity that mass-produced furniture cannot replicate, making your home feel thoughtful and enduring through intentional design choices and lasting materials used. In 2026, expensive-looking homes prioritize craftsmanship details. Notice joinery, fabric weight, and finishes. Mixing vintage heirlooms with contemporary silhouettes creates contrast and relevance. This thoughtful blend prevents spaces from feeling dated while honoring the charm of the past through balanced proportions, subtle updates, and confident design decisions overall today always. Lighting is a powerful tool for creating an expensive mood. Vintage-inspired lamps, wall sconces, and warm bulbs add softness and depth. Instead of one bright ceiling light, layering illumination creates intimacy, highlights textures, and makes every corner feel intentionally designed with care, elegance, and timeless visual comfort throughout the home. For a 2026 update, choose sculptural lighting that doubles as art. Murano-style glass, aged metal finishes, or minimalist modern forms work beautifully together. This mix of old and new lighting adds personality while maintaining a sophisticated, high-end aesthetic that feels curated, warm, and intentionally layered for living spaces today everywhere. Vintage modern style thrives on texture. Linen curtains, wool rugs, aged leather, and raw wood surfaces create richness without excess. These tactile elements engage the senses, making rooms feel lived in, welcoming, and far more luxurious than minimalist spaces alone through natural variation, warmth, depth, and visual interest daily at home. In 2026 interiors, layering textures replaces heavy ornamentation. Combining smooth plaster walls with rough stone or ribbed wood panels adds quiet drama. This approach feels refined, architectural, and timeless, offering visual interest without overwhelming the overall design narrative while maintaining balance, restraint, and understated elegance throughout every room, always present. Artwork defines personality in a timeless home. Vintage paintings, black and white photography, or antique prints add soul and history. Oversized frames or gallery walls instantly elevate spaces, making them feel intentional, collected, and reminiscent of classic European interiors with cultural depth, emotional resonance, and visual storytelling layered over time, gracefully displayed. For a modern 2026 touch, mix vintage art with contemporary framing. Clean lines, floating mats, or unexpected scale create freshness. This contrast respects tradition while speaking to modern tastes, ensuring your walls look curated rather than nostalgic or overly themed spaces that feel confident, timeless, and visually relevant today always. Furniture placement defines luxury more than price. Giving pieces space to breathe creates elegance and flow. Vintage modern homes avoid overcrowding, allowing silhouettes to stand out. This intentional spacing makes rooms feel larger, calmer, and architecturally refined while emphasizing quality, proportion, and thoughtful composition throughout the home environment daily. In 2026 design philosophy, negative space is celebrated. Pair fewer statement pieces with meaningful decor. This approach highlights craftsmanship, encourages mindfulness and reflects quiet confidence. A restrained layout communicates sophistication without relying on trends or excessive decoration while supporting longevity, comfort, and adaptable living for evolving lifestyles over time. Grace F. Oli. Vintage modern homes rely on rich, honest materials. Solid wood, stone, brass, and ceramics age beautifully and feel substantial. These materials signal permanence and quality, instantly making interiors feel expensive compared to synthetic or disposable alternatives that dominate fast furniture culture today, lacking soul, weight, and longevity over years. Ahead. For 2026, sustainable luxury matters. Reclaimed wood, vintage finds, and handcrafted objects align beauty with responsibility. Choosing fewer, better materials creates homes that feel meaningful and future-proof, where elegance comes from values as much as visual appeal, creating emotional connection, authenticity, and lasting pride in ownership. Daily living spaces. Ev. Airy-wear. Color accents add depth without overpowering a timeless palette. Deep greens, muted blues, and warm browns complement neutrals beautifully. Inspired by vintage interiors, these tones create a sense of heritage, stability, and understated sophistication within modern homes through subtle layering, harmony, and emotional warmth that feels enduring and balanced. Said always. In 2026, color appears intentionally, not randomly. Use accents in cushions, books, or ceramics. This controlled application feels curated and flexible, allowing updates over time while preserving the timeless foundation of your interior design through thoughtful repetition, balance, and restraint, ensuring longevity and visual calm throughout changing tray. NDS and eras. Vintage accessories bring narrative into a space. Old books, ceramic vessels, or patinated mirrors suggest history and curiosity. When styled sparingly, these objects elevate shelves and surfaces, creating visual stories that feel personal and refined through subtle imperfections, character, and meaningful details collected over time with intention. ND care always. For 2026 styling, avoid over-decorating. Let each object earn its place. This editorial approach mirrors high-end interiors and museums, where space enhances value. The result feels calm, intelligent, and quietly luxurious through thoughtful curation, balance, and restraint, encouraging focus, appreciation, and visual breathing room within the home enviro. Meant daily life. Ultimately, timeless homes feel authentic. Vintage modern style is not about perfection but harmony. When spaces reflect personal taste, memories, and quality choices, they naturally appear expensive, warm, and enduring beyond passing design trends by balancing history, modernity, comfort, and intentional living values every day at home. Always E. Evolving gracefully. In 2026, luxury is emotional and lasting. Create a home that grows with you, blending vintage soul and modern clarity. This balance ensures your space remains elegant, relevant, and deeply comforting for years to come, offering beauty, stability, inspiration, and quiet confidence through life's changing seasons. And moments ahead always. Thank you for spending time with Vintage Nook today. We hope these timeless vintage modern ideas inspired you to see your home differently. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more inspiration. We would love to hear your thoughts, so share your favorite idea or question in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired and cozy with Vintage Nook Home and Style.